Hello, entrepreneurs. This is Jim Braun, the Working Dad affiliate. If this is your first time to the channel, if you can give me a like and a subscribe, that would be awesome. If you have any feedback, comments, always welcome. What I want to spend some time on today is talking about landing pages. Very important for us affiliate marketers in any email campaign is to keep track of our prospects. And this is one of the ways that we actually do that is to use a system. There's tons of them out there, ClickFunnels and so on. I think this particular one's pretty comparable, but the reason I'm showcasing it today is because it's got a free version to it. And if you're a working mom or working dad trying to escape that 9 to 5, your resources might be a little limited. The price is right up our alley, right? That's free. It's pretty simple. Within a couple minutes, you can get a very good product out there. And again, it's this is one of those times where less is better. Again, there's other things that we get into with other tools and blogs and things like that, writing copy and all that, where you do want to spend a lot of time on these things. This particular one isn't one of those, right? It has a particular function, which is to gather emails. Keep it simple here. With this, the system, it's called System.io. And first step you have to do is sign up. And it is, again, everything I'm going over today is free. So literally just click on the link that I put in the comments and I'll get you right here. And then once you sign in or sign up, what you want to do is click on funnels and then go to the top right where it says create. First thing you want to do is name it. So I'll just call it test funnel. I'll go over this in another video. You do need a domain. Where are you going to point your prospects to? Once they have that interest, where are you going to put them to? I'll show you how that is. The next four down here is what are you trying to do with this, right? Are you trying to build an audience? You're trying to sell custom, you do want to build it from scratch if you want, or you can run a webinar. In our case here, all we're doing is we're trying to build our list, right? We're trying to build, our email list up. So we'll go ahead and click on that one. And then the last step here is it asks for your currency. If you're in the US like I am, that would be US dollar. Then you just go ahead and click on create. And then what you'll see here is all the different templates. And like I said, pretty comparable to just about any other site that I've been on before. What we want to do here is keep this as simple as possible, right? So just kind of go through them. There's a couple here, pretty straightforward. So I always like to preview them first, and that way you can kind of see what they look like on the desktop. Very simple. That's exactly what we like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and just all you have to do here is click on select. And you can go ahead and name it, right? So again, whatever product name, whatever the product is, the system, maybe you're doing an ebook of some kind or something, right? Go over here to the right where you see edit page. It looks like a little wand. Go ahead and click on that. That'll bring that page back up. And like I said, everything in here is editable. That way you can kind of write whatever you want. Again, just for purposes here, I won't change too much. 3-step system to sell on autopilot. Maybe we can do something like a 3-step system to make on, and you want to just call their attention. So we're going to do there. This is pretty good. Enter name and email address for a free video training. Maybe we're doing ebook, right? Maybe you are doing training, whatever it is. And then down here where it has send me the video, you can change all this, right? You can make this box do whatever you want it to do. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little button here. So then that way I can change around whatever I want. First thing it asks you is what action do you want them to do when they click on it, right? We're going to actually have them go to a thank you page. So from there, I can then, once they sign up, they put their email address in. I want them to go to this thank you page. I appreciate them doing that. I'll get them the ebook or what have you. But then also too, maybe we'll try to get them to go to our Facebook page or again, another website or whatever it is. We do want to go to the next step URL, which is going to be that thank you page. Again, you can change the margins here. Again, all kinds of stuff, right? The way that button, in this case here, it says send me to the video training. Maybe we'll just say send me the ebook, right? Something simple. Font size, all that stuff. I actually like the pop-ins. I think that one looks fine to me. I seem to always use that. But one thing I do like is to kind of make this pop. If you ever see any of my capture pages, in my landing pages, the button kind of pop out at you. I usually like to use red here. So all you do is click on the button there. And actually it has the default color red. Boom. There we go. All right. And then the other thing is you can change any color that you want. But most of my landing pages, I kind of keep them simple like this. I like using black, white, and then red. It's very good to the eye. I don't really mind this background. Again, you can have it plain if you want, but you can change all this stuff up. You don't want to spend a ton of time on this. You just want it to be able to do the function of what you're trying to just capture the email, right? That looks pretty good to me. We'll go ahead and we'll save the changes in the top right-hand corner and then click on the exit. And there we go. The next step is the thank you page, right? It gives you a whole list of the templates. I think, again, keeping this very simple is perfect. Again, you can thank you for subscribing, right? You can add in all your stuff here, Facebook, Instagram. What's this one look like? Congratulations. Something like that. Thank you. There we go. Your IDs have been sent. So you just change this around. Maybe your ebook has been, ebook's in our theme here, right? Ebook. I'm just doing the page review. That one looks pretty good. So we'll do that. It's pretty simple. That looks good. So go over here to the right, edit page. Notice that little wand, right? Thank you looks good. And then what you're going to do is you can go over here to the left too, but you can go and click on this link. And then what that'll do is you'll actually link the document or the book or whatever it is. You can do it as a file within it here. But again, however you want to get that information to them, you want to go ahead and put in your Facebook group, right? So literally go over here to the button. Again, you can change the way it looks. Scroll down, kind of see what you can change. So it's actually on the button itself. Again, click here to join our community for free. All your other social media down here, right? You can add that in. If you click the button, and again, you can make this not necessarily go to Facebook, right? You can have this go to another link, right to the sales page or whatever you want to do. This is a great opportunity for you to make this what you need it to be, and again, route these folks to wherever you need them to go. You can go ahead and change whatever you need. So we'll say that's fine. Everything, I've made all my changes that I want. Again, fonts, background, you could change all this stuff around to fit your need. Now, the last thing I always do is add a tag, right? So I want to try to categorize the folks that are, possible prospects. Maybe they like all-in-one systems, or maybe they like a particular product, this particular cosmetic or whatever. To be able to keep them situated or categorized, what we do is we add tags. So if you go up here to the top where it says contacts and tags, what we'll do is we'll just do ebook. We want to be able to show you what it looks like, right? Tags created. Now we want to go back to our funnels. Again, really easy, user-friendly here, right? Very simple. Thank you page. And then right here where it says automation rules at the top, you'll click on that. And over here where it says add rule, click that to the right. And it says funnel step form subscribe. Click on that. And then add action. What do you want it to do, right? We want to add a tag. So add a tag to a contact. So you click that. And then from the drop down, ebook. We'll save the rule. So now anyone that comes, any subscribers that come in and they go ahead and plug in their email address and their name or whatever we had in there, right? They'll now be tagged with whatever that product, in this case, ebook. Then that way you can keep track of them. And when you go to set up your email campaign, and you'll know who is who. And again, because you want to focus your offers to the right people, right? So we're good. Now we want to view the funnel so you can see what it looks like. That looks really good. Yeah, there we go. Just wanted to introduce something that's out there. Again, very comparable, I think, to ClickFunnels. But the main thing here is it's free and it doesn't take a lot of time. So again, it took me a few minutes to describe it. And again, there are a lot more functions that you can do within this. I just kept it really basic. This is the one time when you can literally keep this as simple as possible, right? Less is better and still get the output that you're looking for. If you enjoyed the content, if you can give me a like, if you can subscribe, that would be awesome as well. To your prosperity. Thank you. Take care.